Welcome to another earnings breakdown. Today, we are unpacking the Q4 FY26 results for Orient Cement Limited. Let's dive into the numbers. Starting with corporate actions. The board has recommended a final dividend of 0.50 rupees per share. The record date for this payout is officially set for June 12, 2026. Looking at the top line, total income landed at 653.38 crore rupees. This is a slight 2.25% increase quarter-on-quarter. However, it is down sharply by 21.55% year-on-year. Core revenue from operations stood at 647.23 crores, supported by 6.15 crores in other income. Moving on to cost management. Total expenses came in at 589.45 crore rupees. Raw material costs formed the largest chunk at 177.72 crores. Employee benefits accounted for 36.21 crores, while other expenses stood at 62.43 crores. A tight prep on costs helped cushion the impact of the revenue drop. Now for the operating performance. EBITDA clocked in at 113.96 crore rupees. That is a strong 23.16% jump quarter-on-quarter and up 2.96% year-on-year. The EBITDA margin expanded significantly to 17.61%. Strong cost controls are clearly paying off here. Pre-tax profits are showing notable resilience. Profit before tax came in at 64.03 crore rupees. That is a massive 76.78% jump sequentially. However, on a yearly basis, it is slightly down by 5.66%. The quarterly rebound remains a strong positive signal. Looking at the bottom line, net profit hit 55.43 crore rupees. This is a staggering 99.39% growth quarter-on-quarter. Year-on-year, PAT is up by a solid 31.76%. The PAT margin stands at a healthy 8.48%. Translating this to shareholder returns, earnings per share is at 2.70 rupees for the quarter. This mirrors the profit surge, doubling quarter-on-quarter. It is also up 31.71% year-on-year. To wrap up, Orient Cement faced a year-on-year revenue decline of over 21%. But the real story is the margin expansion. Lower overall costs boosted EBITDA margins, driving strong PAT growth both sequentially and yearly. It is a classic case of operational efficiency saving the quarter. Subscribe for more. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching.